Every day she rubs aloe vera on her face. What happens after 7 days will surprise you. Aloe vera is one of the most used ingredients and beauty products due to its numerous medicinal properties and health benefits. However, you do not need to spend a fortune on expensive beauty products in order to have a healthy and glowing skin. Namely, you just need to do a simple procedure and you will significantly improve the quality of your skin. That was the case with one woman from Oxford, England. She rubbed aloe vera on her face every day for a period of 7 days. Namely, after the 7th day she noticed huge improvement. Her skin became so soft and glowing. This method is extremely simple and easy, and all you need to use is, of course, aloe vera. However, the effects will be brilliant. This is how to use aloe vera to get a flawless healthy skin. 1. Wash the plant well. Take an aloe vera plant and do not peel it, but wash it well and clean all its leaves. 2. Soften the aloe vera leaves. Gently thump on the leaves to soften them. 3. Cut the leaves in two. As you do not need the entire leaf at once, cut the leaves in half or in smaller portions, just as much as you need. 4. Cut the edges of the leaf. Then, cut off the edges of the leaves from both sides with a knife in order to make it open and to be able to peel it easily. 5. Split the leaf in two. With your hands, split the open leaf, and if you cannot do it easily, use a knife to slit through its center. 6. Extract the juice. 6. Extract the juice. Next, use a spoon to extract the juice of the leaf, but take just as much as you need in order not to waste the rest. Pour the juice in a bowl. 7. Rub all over your face. Then, use the fingers to apply the aloe vera juice all over your face. Use the leaf to massage the face and leave the juice for 20 minutes to dry on the face. 8. Rinse. Peel the aloe vera mask off the face and wash the face with clean water. Do not use any chemical product of soap and washing as it may reduce the effect of the aloe vera. 9. Healthy and glowing skin. With a clean towel, dry the face and your face will simply glow. The skin will be soft, revitalized and healthy.